guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that easy method for downloading reels in your iOS. And at first of all you need to open your Instagram and select the reels option. And now you can see this is our reel, and after that just tap on the share option from here. And just select this copy link option from here and just go back to your home screen. And just open your Telegram, and after that select one of the contact or your saved messages option in your Telegram. And here I am selecting one of my second account, and after that just paste the link from here. And after that you can see www. And you want to just tap on this option from here, and after that just tap on this DD from here. And after that just select the send option from here. And now you can see a download option in this video, and just tap on this download option from here. And now you can see our reel has been downloading successfully. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and thanks for watching our video.